Hello everyone, welcome to Docthub. I am Dr. Sandeep Patel, founder and CEO at Docthub. Today we'll discuss healthcare industry report which is published by Indian Brand Equity Foundation IBEF. इन्होंने कुछ महीनों पहले ये रिपोर्ट पब्लिश की थी कि हेल्थ केयर इंडस्ट्री में क्या क्या डिफरेंट स्टैटिस्टिक्स है जो हमें ध्यान में रखने चाहिए। तो कुछ स्टैटिस्टिक्स हमने सिलेक्ट किए हैं कि हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल्स को क्या जानना ज़रूरी है, स्टैटिस्टिक्स अब तक के है। तो फर्स्ट, इन द इंडियन हॉस्पिटल इंडस्ट्री अकाउंटिंग फॉर 80% ऑफ टोटल हेल्थ केयर मार्केट इज expected to touch $130 billion by 2023. As on 2021, the Indian healthcare sector employs a total of 4.7 million people. India's public healthcare expenditure is spending of 2.1% of its GDP in 2021-22. The union budget of 22-23 was 86,200.65 crore, which is US dollar of 11.28 billion, which was allocated by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Indian government is planning to introduce Indian rupees of 500 billion, which is a 6.8 US billion worth of incentive program to boost the healthcare infrastructure in the country. Now, what could be the forecasting? The healthcare sector in 2017 was at $160 billion, and in 2020 it was a $280 billion size, and last year in 2022 it was $372 billion, the entire healthcare sector which was there. So now you can predict in 2023 and 2024, after this amount of incentive programs which is initiated by government, it will be grow up to more. The government expenditure in year 2020, it was around 1.8% of GDP. In 2021, it is 2.1% of GDP. And in 2022, it was 2.5% of GDP. Means it is last 3 years, it is growing gradually, the spending of from the government side in the infrastructure. So definitely it will positively impact on the private sector also. The healthcare insurance, if we talk about, there are premium collections data of last 4-5 years, which is in year 2016, it was 3.6 billion of health insurance collection. In 2017, it was 4.6 billion US dollar, and in 2018, it was 5.9 billion US dollar collection of health insurance premium. In 2019, 6.6 billion. In 2020, it was 7 billion. In 2021, 7.9 billion. In 2022, which is marked as the health insurance total premium collection amount was around 9.2 billion US dollars. So you can see last 5 years, the health insurance coverage, health insurance premium collection is going rapidly from 2016 to 2022, from 3.8 billion to in last year 2022 it's 9.2 billion US dollar. That is a huge growth in terms of healthcare sector. We talk about government sector as well as private sector, and whenever it is health insurance is concerned, definitely that impact we see on a private health sector. So thank you very much for staying with Docthub for SAE Healthcare Career and Professional Upgrade. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to Docthub channel for such healthcare professional updates. Thank you.